The other great thing with this system in the Ford Kuga is if you go to your iTunes, you'll see there at the bottom it's showing Ford Audio, and there's a tick next to it. If not, just touch it, go back. Again, if you go to, let's see, if you go to click phone and then you go to Bluetooth, and you can actually select there an active phone to play audio. It's already showing mine, but you may have somebody else in the car that's for some reason you'd want to listen to their music. So here we go. Now if I click play, and then I'll turn this down for the moment. To get to my phone we have to click CD and aux, and then you might have to click it a couple of times if it's on CD for instance, but there's no CD inserted there. So we'll go back, showing the track that's playing. If I turn that up, and then yeah, unfortunate lyrics, but there you go. It's a great sound and an easy to use system. Thanks for watching.